Hi guys, myself Kapil and I'm a software developer by profession. Besides my software developer job, I teach computer subject to students from class 9 to 12 and also provide online trainings to working professional also. As we know that on getting online students is a very tough job, but this thing has been happened with the help of these tutors group guys in a very easy manner. And after taking their services, I got good response, and just in 15 days I got the students to teach online. And from anywhere, any part of India, any student or any tutor can get their responses and very easy manner. And these guys genuinely work to provide students and for their tutors. I just say that these guys are really helpful for working professionals to get their students for respective subjects. Uh, right, and I also got good response from these guys and to teach online students. And I really thankful to these tutors group guys. And I prefer teachers and students to take their service once, and uh, you will get a good response and good tutors, and students, especially students, will get good and best tutors for their subjects. And really thankful to these tutors group guys, and hope these guys will work more patiently and upgrade and in the future. Really thankful to guys. Really thankful to them. Really thankful to Tutors Group guys. Thank you guys.
Hello everyone, it's me Alok Gupta. As we all know that we all are suffering from coronavirus, we are unable to take our regular class. So I am getting my regular class through online class with the help of Kapil Singhal sir, and he is teaching me in very easier and memorable way. I think which will very helpful to get great marks at my board exams. For this all, I like to thank Kapil Singhal sir very heartily. Thank you so much for this all, sir.